हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. वेलकम टू e-tutorial of विनायक पब्लिक स्कूल खजराट अयोध्या. My name is Pradeep Kumar Yadav. I will be teaching you today class 7 subject math. चैप्टर 2 सिंपल इक्वेशन का वीडियो नंबर 6 है ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. फाइंड टू कंसेक्यूटिव नेचुरल नंबर्स whose sum is 63. Solution, right? Let the number be x and x plus 1. According to the question, x plus 1 is equal to 63. Add like term 2x plus 1 is equal to 63. तो 2x is equal to 63 minus 1. तो 2x is equal to 62. तो x is equal to 62 upon 2. तो x is equal to कट करेंगे 31. x plus 1 means 31 plus 1 is equal to 32. So the two consecutive natural numbers are 31 and 32. Question number 2. The sum of four consecutive odd numbers is 80. Find the numbers. Solution. Let the four numbers be x, x plus 2, x minus 2 and x plus 4. Then sum of all numbers x plus 2 plus x minus 2 plus x plus 4 is equal to 80. Add all like term x 4 टाइम है 4x plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 80. तो 4x plus 2 and 4 add plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 80. तो 4x plus 4 is equal to 80. तो 4x is equal to 80 minus 4. तो 4x is equal to 76. तो x is equal to 76 upon 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 19 जा 76. तो x is equal to 19. Four consecutive odd numbers are x is equal to 19. Then x plus 2, 19 plus 2, 21. x minus 2, 19 minus 2, 17. x plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23. Hence, numbers are 17, 19, 21 and 23. Thank you.